Hello madam, my name is K. Rahul. I am from CSC B section and my roll number is 234G1A058 and the subject is discrete mathematics and graph theory and my topic is about solving the recurrence relation uh, AR minus 7 AR minus 1 plus 10 AR minus 2 equals to 7 into 3 power r, where R is greater than or equals to 2. And my title is solving the recurrence relation, and equation is AR minus 7 AR minus 1 plus 10 AR minus 2 equals to 7 into 3 power r, and objective is find the general solution for R is greater than or equals to 2. Objectives: solve the recurrence relation AR minus 7 AR minus 1 plus 10 AR minus 2 equals to 7 into 3 power. Find the characteristic equation for the homogeneous part. Solve the characteristic equation, then form the general solution for homogeneous equation and finding particular solution and combining the both solutions. These are the steps we are used to find the characteristic equation. Substitute. Let AR equals to x power r into comma AR minus 1 is equals to x power r minus 1 and AR minus 2 equals to x power r minus 2. Form equation x power r minus 7 x power r minus 1 plus 10 x power r minus 2. Let us assume r equals to x power r equals to x square and x power r minus 1 as x and x power r minus 2 as 1. Then we got the solution x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. Characteristic equation x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. Then x equals to we use a formula minus a plus or minus root of a square minus 4ab by 2a minus of minus b means b means 7 minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 10 by 2 into 1. Then x equals to 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 40 by 2 equals to 7 plus or minus 3 by 2. Then we got the x values x equals to 5 and another x is 2. Since roots are distinct, so we have a solution. The solution to be homogeneous equation is AR whole power h equals to C1 into 5 power r plus C2 into 2 power r. This will be determined by initial conditions. Non-homogeneous term 7 into 3 power r. Guess the solution. Try AR whole power p equals to a into 3 power r. Substitute into the recurrence. A into 3 power r minus 7a into 3 power r minus 1 plus 10a into 3 power r minus 2 equals to 7 into 3 power r. Dividing by 3 power r minus 2. Then we got 9a minus 21a plus 10a. A equals to minus 63 by 2. Homogeneous solution. AR whole power h equals to C1 into 5 power r plus C2 into 2 power r. AR power p equals to minus 63 by 2 into 3 power r. AR equals to C1 into 5 power r plus C2 into 2 power r minus 63 by 2 into 3 power r. Steps recap. The steps to recap is finding the characteristic equation and second is solve the characteristic roots, and C formation is the homogeneous solution, and D is derive a particular solution, and last one is combine the general solution. Means we have to find the characteristic equation first and solve the characteristic roots and form homogeneous solution and derive a particular solution and combine the general solution. Then we got the final solution is AR equals to C1 into 5 power r plus C2 into 2 power r minus 63 by 2 into 3 power r. Then we got the conclusion is this problem is demonstrate a systematic approach to solving non-homogeneous recurrence relation by using characteristic roots and particular solutions. Thank you, madam.